top tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the green screen for your image in your YouTube video using SHOTCUT. Excited? Well, make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. Let's get to the video. Okay, so we're at the desktop. Now the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go down and open up SHOTCUT. So you want to click on home here, click on Cortana, and then search in SHOTCUT. After you find that, you can open it up and you'll be greeted with the SHOTCUT editor. Now the first thing you want to do once you get into SHOTCUT is to name your project name. I'm going to call mine Test 5. And you can set it to whatever you want. I usually set mine to 1080p for the sake of this video. I'm just going to leave it on automatic. Now, after you finish that, click Start. And you can see there's nothing here, and you're probably wondering, what am I supposed to do? So the first thing you want to do is you want to add your footage. I'm just going to use some gameplay of mine, just some Minecraft, probably. And after you've done that, you want to add the overlay that you want on top. So if you want to remove that green screen and put it on here like a subscribe button, or remove your green screen and then put an image behind it, I'm here to show you both ways to do this. So if you want something on the screen like a subscribe button, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you click on timeline, add video track, and then add another video track. And drag this video down to the bottom track. Make sure this is the video that you want to be under the overlay. After you complete that, what you want to do is you want to press open file, and then you want to find the overlay that you want. I'll go to the desktop that I know mine is subscribe, and as you can see, it's a green screen. And you're probably like, I don't really want a green screen. Well, once you get into the editor, what you want to do is you want to click on, then you want to click on filters. This is how you remove the green screen. Click on filters, click on plus, then click on video, and then go down to chroma key and click simple. And then you can adjust where you want the subscribe button. As you can see, it is now on my screen. So if I play the video for you, as you can see, it now plays the video of the green screen background. If you guys want to remove the little bits of green you can see, you can adjust distance. I usually have my distance just before it turns transparent. I like it about there. As you can see, there's not many green parts, and it's just what I like to do. So, as you can see, you don't really want a white background or something like that will happen. So yes, that is how you make a video overlay with a green screen appear on your screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any suggestions for future tutorials, or if you need help, make sure to let me know in the comments. As for now, see you later.